Hello guys! Welcome back once again to my multipurpose channel, James News. So, i-unbox na natin siya. Nung masuot ko na. Grabe naman sa pagka-sealed. Gusto ko lang. No, it's not. So, meron siyang invoice. Here. And then, the thank you card. As we count our blessings this day, we count ourselves extremely lucky to have a customer like you. Thank you so much for purchasing our product. We hope we'll enjoy wearing it as we enjoy crafting them into perfection. All of our products are created with an obsessive attention to detail. Wow, I love it. You mean a lot to us. Again, thank you, James and Justin, owners by JJ Anchors. Thank you, James and Justin. We're also JJ. And then, at the back, nothing. Thank you so much. So this is it. Wow, ganda. Ganda niya, oh. So, this is the top. Wow. What's this? So, meron siyang scan me. Like that. Oh, may pouch. See, may pouch siya. Love it. And then, I have the white one. So, here are the details. The J&J. Oh, cute. So, cute. And then, ganda, oh. The black one. Yun. Here, the white one and the black one. Cute. Pero mas maganda sana kung mas malalaki pa, no? Pero basically, these are very cute. And fashionable also. If you like this video, please do like, share, and subscribe to my Multipurpose channel. And then hit the notification bell. If you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please do subscribe. Bye guys! See you on my next video. Love you all!